In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Pay Now button to your Xero invoices in just 5 minutes. This feature can dramatically streamline your invoicing process, making it convenient for your clients to settle payments promptly. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you're logged into your Xero account. If you're not, head over to the Xero login page. Enter your email and password and then click the login button to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your financial activities. This is the command center where you manage most of your business operations. Familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't already, as it's vital for efficiently utilizing Xero's features. Now, we'll focus on setting up online payments. Locate the business menu on the dashboard, click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select online payments. This section is where you can connect with various payment providers to facilitate quick and easy transactions directly through your invoices. In the online payments section, you'll be prompted to add an account with your preferred payment provider. Choose a provider that best suits your business needs. Some popular choices include PayPal or Stripe, as they are widely used and trusted for their security and ease of integration. Click on the option to add your chosen payment provider, and you'll be directed to follow the setup prompts specific to that provider. Ensure you have any necessary account details or settings handy, as this will expedite the setup process. Once you've successfully linked your payment provider account with Xero, return to the online payments page within Xero. The system will indicate whether the connection was successful. Often, a confirmation message or a change in status will signal you that everything is in order. Upon completion of these steps, you will notice a Pay Now button has been added to your invoices. This button is more than just a feature. It's an invaluable tool for encouraging timely payments and enhancing client satisfaction through the easy payment options it presents. Your clients can now click this button on their invoice, which takes them directly to a secure payment page where they can complete the transaction in just a few clicks. Remember, the goal is to simplify the payment process for your clients, thereby improving your cash flow and saving you time in following up on outstanding payments. Integrating seamless payment options into your invoicing system is a big step forward in modernizing your business operations. With this feature now activated, you're set to offer a more efficient and user-friendly payment experience. Thank you for joining this short tutorial. Be sure to explore other features and integrations within Xero to continue optimizing your financial management process.